What's up, family? Welcome back to another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle Channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. Today, what we got the Sonos Play 1 speaker. So now I did some research on this speaker. As you can see, it's out the box. So as I was doing my research, I found out that it's out the box pretty much because the setup process on this thing is let's just say challenging. I consider myself a tech head. I'm all Bluetooth speakers, pretty much you can bang those things out without reading the instructions. This, you got to read the instructions. No lie. I don't care how, tech savvy you are, you got to read the instructions. Again, what comes in the box, well, not again, but what comes in the box is the power cord that you see right there and the Ethernet cable and these instructions. Now the Ethernet cable, I thought I wasn't even going to use it, and I didn't, but on the second or third try, the instructions wanted me to bring the actual speaker to my router and plug the Ethernet cable in. I kept having to retry because this is a Wi-Fi speaker, meaning that you can hook it up, well, you have to hook it up to your Wi-Fi system in your house via your router. So read the instructions. You got to download the Sonos app, which I did already on my phone. So pretty much it's out the box now, just to save time, so we could get right to the point and get focus on the product at hand. So again, this is the Sonos Play 1 speaker. This speaker, I haven't listened to it yet. The reviews I did is A1 reviews. This speaker, most function that I like is that you can hook up to 32 of these speakers up together. Now I'm not saying I'm gonna hook up that much, but I plan on putting like 2 down in the basement, 2 in the family room, 2 in the living room, and 2 in the bedroom upstairs, and maybe other places upstairs. So that's gonna be my setup. And your setup, if you got an apartment or a condo, even in your house or whatever, you might want to put something in the house. If you got a house in the garage, in the den, in the backyard, these are all suggestions. And if you got a condo or an apartment, like a smaller space, you might want to put one in the bedroom, one in the living room, and then you can link them up and put 2 like as a group, and 2 of those speakers are gonna play one song, and the other speakers will play another song. So you could group them up like that, or you can have, if you have 32 of these speakers, if you just like that, and you like to get crazy like that, you can have one song playing throughout the whole house, 32 speakers. Now that feature right there is crazy. Like I said, that's gonna be my setup. That's the way I'm looking at doing it, if I like the sound of this speaker. So let's get right into the review. So what comes in the box? Ethernet, power cord, and the user manuals. I usually don't read through these, but this time I ain't even gonna front. Keep it 100 with y'all. I have to read through the manuals. You gotta read through it. There's a lot of on-screen instructions too when you download it to your phone or with your tablet, but you gotta read through it. So this is a quick start guide and your warranty information, which is right here. And for those that like to see the box, this is the box. Sonos Play 1, almost says Sony. Sonos Play 1 speaker. That's the box. Check that out. That's all you get in the box, alright? So you didn't get cheated if you like seeing unboxings. So I showed you what the box looked like. Let's get right into the speaker. So this is the speaker right here. Weighs about 4 pounds. Pretty solid speaker. Steel mesh on the front. This speaker might look like it gives 3D sound out, but it doesn't. It only comes out through the front speaker by itself. I don't know if you can see the speaker on camera right there, but it only gives speaker out through the front, not 360 sound. On the top, you got your play button and you got your volume rocker up and down. That's all you got on there. On the bottom, you got your plug where you plug it into the wall outlet. On the back, you got your speaker stand screw if you want to hook it up to a speaker. speaker stand, I should say. You just screw it on and you go rock out like that. And that right there is the Ethernet port. So you might need to, I suggest bringing the Sonos speaker close to where your router is at and set it up that way. Because if it's closer to the router, you can set it up that way. It sets up easier that way, I should say. And I don't know, it's pretty difficult to I don't know if it's just me, but you know, it's pretty difficult to set this thing up, including with your phone program and all of that stuff. But yeah, the price, $150, not too bad, reasonably priced. Check it out online. Maybe you might get a better deal. Alright, let me get my phone. We're going to check out the app real quick and we're going to check out some songs. So, when you set it up, you're going to get this screen right here. Go to Sonos. And, like I said, it's a Wi-Fi speaker. So, you're going to pretty much get, you know, radio stations. So, we'll just click that radio by tune in. Radio stations. Well, I don't have no radio stations yet. So, like I said, you could go to My Sonos. It has all your, you know, your favorite songs or whatever. You browse. Your rooms, like I was telling you, I call mine the den, because that's probably where I'm going to keep it at. Search. Let me see if I could go to some songs on my phone. So, we're going to turn it up to ignorant levels and we're going to rock out and see what's going on. Let me see if I can just go through some songs that's on my phone itself. So you go through. Let's see. So the Sonos, you go through the whole. The voice services has the inbox voice services, add music services, add speakers. I already did that. I'm trying to find all my music. Let me see if I could just go straight to the music and see. It's not coming up like with the Bluetooth. Everything is in real time right here. I'm in my Bluetooth settings. I'm trying to check it out to see if I can get this done real quick. Voice services, inbox. Like I said, I just plugged it in. I got pretty much the let's just download. Let's just listen to some music off the internet. Let's see what happens. Oh, here it goes. You gotta go grant permission. So, like I said, it's grant permission. You gotta give it permission to go through your phone. So, I'm gonna choose some songs real quick. Let's see what I got. We're gonna go through some basic tracks and just see what happens. Alright, I'm gonna play this song right here. Let's see how it sounds. There we go. Let's wait for that bass drop. Let's rock out.
Yo, Rod, turn this
There we
shit
go.
up.
Sounding pretty good. Sounding pretty good. Imagine having multiple speakers throughout your whole house like that. And that's the play and pause button on the top. So this is the Sonos speaker the Sonos speaker, multi Wi-Fi speaker. Like I said, you can hook up to 32 of these speakers up. Sounds amazing. Clarity sounds good. Let's get into one more song before we get out of here. T-shirt campaign still going on. We still rocking out that way. If you're interested, hit me up on the email. I'm SOFOCUSED.gmail.com or SOFOCUSEDBIZ0612@gmail.com. Hit me up. And we're gonna pretty much rock out like that. So Sonos speaker, if you like it, go out and cop it. If you like the video, do what you do. If not, sit back and be entertained. As I say every video, last thing I say, signing off, 3 things in life you gotta remember. Trust God, love family, and stay focused. Until the next video, stay focused, y'all. Let's rock out.